So when you contact VizVibe to work on a project with you, one of the things that we really take to heart is you become our partner. And that means we're going to have meetings with you every week to keep the project on track, to keep you informed of what's happening with the project, whether it's a small project or a large project. You will get a liaison from the VizVibe team, and they will work with you every step of the way so that we can get the best possible product, best possible content, and the best possible customer support and service we can to you for every step of the way throughout the project.